Alright guys, so we are right now at the Sea Horizon Resort and we're going to be staying here for tonight. You see that's the South China Sea. Right there, it's quite a nice view actually. There's a swimming pool here. And there's like the restaurant and like the hotel lobby and stuff. And just going to go forward and have a look. Now we're going to get the key. Alright, thank you. There's no one here. We have the whole resort to ourselves. Look. No one in the restaurant as well. Lunch is served. This is the seafood fried noodles, along with some potato wedges and French fries, and also orange juice. Look at that sunset. So nice.